Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit pictures. Let's actually use this one with a green screen background. So select your photo and select remove background. Then select chroma key and select the green area of the photo. I'm also just going to add it on top, and here you can add in like background videos, background photos. It's up to you really what you want to use. I'm also just going to go to mask and like mask this because I don't want that to be there. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, the green screen background is gone. You can also overlay a green screen again on top. For instance, this one, go to mask, go to remove background and select chroma key. Select the green area of your video. You can adjust the intensity here as well. Just going to place it here so you guys can see it. But that's pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.